there's your unboxing video. Hello everyone, nobody for some website here, and I am making this video about the Max Torque cans. That's maxtorquecans.com, carbon fiber and carbon fiber outlet aftermarket exhaust system for the BMW R1200 RS. This thing looks absolutely gorgeous, and it's supposedly a pretty easy swap out. Let's install it. Martin Lay opened MTC in 2001 with a preloaded connection to his customer base. Material, manufacturing, and marketing knowledge isn't what built their cult popularity, though. That comes from an unwritten, assumed motto aimed at customer satisfaction, meaning produce better than top-tier quality products that are budget-friendly and delivered to your door inside of 7 days. Before spending, I was pooling resources and reading about various motorcycle exhaust tips by other manufacturers. The thing is, their own products don't tick all of the boxes they themselves mention the way MTCs do. What's more, MTC is friendly in surrounding countries, negotiating portions of their material to be prepped in Scotland, among others. Stainless steel grade T304/T409 meets a titanium grade 2 and 3 mil finish before their carbon fiber 4x4 pre-preg autoclave cured foil-lined twill is assembled completely by hand using stainless, gas-tight rivets, all of it in their Burscough, Lancashire workshop. The result is impressive. Heck, even their motorcycle exhaust clamps look like they're outfitted to match the outlining banding. It's elegant. MTC offers something rare to the motorcycling community in that they raise the bar while dividing the price. That takes planning, confidence, and appreciation for riders everywhere. Considering a recent email communication where they informed me that they were holding my order because they themselves weren't satisfied with its quality, I just can't ignore such pride in one's work. This incredibly easy installation is going to require a Torx 45mm, Torx 40mm, and a Torx 25mm to complete. Alright, ice trays, best thing in the world. Why? Because you can organize the right and left hand side of the bike down the middle of whatever you're dealing with. Alright, so first I'm removing the shield here. Now for the lower lug nuts. Of course that's going to be 13, isn't it? It's going to be 13. Bingo, 13. There it is. Oh, I love that. So much easier having one of these. I don't use this to torque anything on, but it sure does work to get things off. So they gave us this sheath, these two parts right here. Ooh, shiny. Put that around. And there we go. The bad news is, this is going to require a nut that I do not have. Unless they want me to use the nut from the base. Does it actually fit? Oh, these guys are sneaky. Look at that. This nut right here is designed to clamp the stock exhaust right there, and it fits the top mount perfectly. Cool. This can actually turn on the inside of that, which is going to be important to make sure everything lines up properly. We want this to be like, oh yeah, that. See if it'll work. That goes there, and look at you. The rest should be fairly easy peasy if I can get the twists and turns with the lower section to go where they're supposed to. Oh, there we are. We're threaded in. We've only tightened it up enough that we can still probably get some soapy water in there, Windex it around a bit. Means we can get this on here fitted proper the way we want. With it loose the way it is, let's make sure the luggage can fit on there properly. That's not good, is it? What I'm going to do, since this is expensive and important, is I'm going to try to get this angled properly so that it lines up here and here using these two adjustments because I have luggage because sport touring. There's your profile shot, and I got to say, it looks really good. If you play your cards right, you can line the exhaust up so that this line matches the line of the frame, matches the line of the luggage. It does work out. Things that prove difficult. Let's start with, really to get this thing set up for your bike, I get the feeling that maybe this type of exhaust, or at least the outlet, the connector, is used on multiple bikes. It's designed with this curvature so that you can adjust to suit the best angle for a given motorcycle. So one thing I discovered was that if I put the right side case on the bike and then made all of my adjustments with these three connection points completely loose, I was able to manipulate everything so that it fit well. And then I just sort of hoped that when I took the luggage off, it was going to look right. And behold, it's in line with everything. That's all she wrote. I tell you, note the quality of this. I also love that for this particular exhaust, I love that the logo is in silver and black to work nicely with the black and gray carbon fiber. This is how carbon fiber is done. They care about the quality. They really do. Looking forward to taking this to Road America.